The enigmatic case of the Rendlesham Forest Incident. Welcome to Mysteries of the Unknown, where we delve into the most perplexing cases that continue to baffle experts and enthusiasts alike. Today, we're exploring one of the most intriguing and debated supernatural occurrences in modern history, the Rendlesham Forest Incident. Often referred to as Britain's Roswell, this incident remains a subject of fascination and controversy. It's December 1980, a cold winter's night near the twin NATO airbases of RAF Bentwaters and RAF Woodbridge in Suffolk, England. These bases, primarily used by the United States Air Force, were about to become the epicenter of a mystery that endures to this day. On the night of December 26, airbase personnel reported seeing strange lights descending into the nearby Rendlesham Forest. Thinking it might be a downed aircraft, a small team of USAF personnel was sent out to investigate. What they encountered was beyond their wildest expectations. The men, including the deputy base commander, Lieutenant Colonel Charles Halt, described seeing a triangular-shaped craft hovering above the ground, emanating bright lights and inexplicably moving through the trees. Eyewitness accounts were startlingly similar. They spoke of hieroglyphic-like symbols on the craft, a strong static electricity in the air, and the craft's sudden and silent acceleration away. Lieutenant Colonel Halt even recorded his observations on an audio tape, which still serves as a chilling piece of evidence. In the following days, the site was examined. Ground indentations and radiation levels higher than the average background radiation were reported. The UK Ministry of Defence, however, concluded that the event posed no threat to national security and did not investigate further. Theories abound. Some believe it was a top-secret aircraft, others speculate extraterrestrial involvement, while skeptics point to the Orford Ness lighthouse as a possible explanation for the lights. Yet, none of these theories fully explain the eyewitness accounts or the physical evidence. The Rendlesham Forest Incident has become a staple of UFO folklore, inspiring books, documentaries, and heated debates in the scientific community. It challenges our understanding of the unexplained and continues to intrigue both skeptics and believers alike. As we wrap up this journey into the unknown, the Rendlesham Forest Incident remains an enigma. A true case that blurs the line between the natural and the supernatural, leaving us to ponder the possibilities of what lies beyond our current understanding. Thank you for joining us on Mysteries of the Unknown. Stay curious, and keep exploring the unexplained.